About 5'8" with a black beard, sunglasses, black hoodie, and light blue jeans.
51 Charles 3 on 6.
51 Charles 3, 10-4.
So we'll kind of like roll in slow and keep our distance.
Okay.
Charles 4, I'm 97.
Charles 4, 10-4.
Charles 4, where's the RP supposed to be?
They're all calling from the business there. Peninsula, Crane, and Rigging. Multiple callers from that business.
Alright, stand by. Just keep an eye. I'm going to grab my rifle.
Yep.
Multiple callers kind of change. With her later. Camera's on, right?
Yep.
Who knows what's really going on, but you gotta be careful. Charles Ford, they still have a visual of the mill?
I don't know. They just keep hanging up on us. So we don't have anybody landline right now.
Copy. Just give us code 33. We're getting flagged down.
Copy code 33.
She should have gone. Did I not go 97 on a weapons call? Why are they not code 33?
There's multiple people.
Well, this guy looks like the guy they're describing.
Yeah. Right?
Hi, sir, can I help you?
That guy right there, my camera off the thing for you. Yeah.
Okay. So you can record me. You can leave that there. I just gotta make sure I'm safe.
All right, go for it, man.
So,
I don't have any.
okay, take your bag off. Okay.
I can.
Yeah, take it off.
Well,
please.
it's got a bag.
Okay, that's fine. I guess I'm just trying to be safe. Okay. We can deal with this appropriately. Just relax. You're gonna have to put the tripod. Right? I'm gonna pad search you for weapons. There's a report. No, I'm gonna pad search
Okay,
you.
all right. Okay. I don't have any weapons.
Well, I just gotta make sure. We're obviously, they might have exaggerated, but that's what we're here to
It's
figure
straight
out.
up lie, man.
Well, that's what it sounds like. So, just gonna separate your legs for me, please. All right. Cool. I'm just gonna hold on to your bag real quick. I'm not taking it.
Can I get my body cam?
Yeah. Go ahead and do this body. Okay, 51 Charles 4. You can shut down any vehicle if you need. Go back to normal. This sounds like some kind of civil issue. What?
I was recording from the sidewalk right there. This guy didn't like it, so we just grabbed my camera and threw it in the bushes. And that's everything. It caught it on live stream.
Okay. Did you know them or what's going on?
No, I don't know them at all. I was just checking out their cranes. They have like cranes.
Oh, you don't know them at all?
I don't know them at all.
Okay.
I'm just a random dude.
Okay. Well, they called him the guy with the gun. So
They
this
want
response.
this kind of
Yeah.
response, yeah. That's
Kind of response.
now there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 animal APUs, 11, 12, 13. Looks like they're all
Well, there's a lot of trainees out here.
geared up. For sure.
They called him the guy with the gun, you know. In this day and age, you would want this kind of response.
That sounds
right?
like a crime to me, man. They're lying.
I don't know. I came out from that area, but we're the first year, so.
Is it cool if I go out of the sun over here?
Yeah, that's fine. I don't care.
Just hold on to the bag.
Yeah, that's.
It's my
We're not
camera
going
here.
to search it. We're just making sure, try to figure out what's going on.
Okay.
But obviously, you're recording, so I wouldn't imagine that you have a gun.
No.
Because then you kind of snitch yourself out if you did, right?
Right. I have there's pepper spray in there, but I just
Fine.
You guys wanted this kind of response, guys. That's how it goes. There's 13
Why do you think they told him you have a gun? Just
because they didn't like. He's mad enough to grab my camera and break it. He's gonna lie. Yeah. There's the camera right here. He ripped it off.
Oh, there's another camera.
Yeah, it's in the bushes over there. I'd actually really like to retrieve it.
Okay.
But I don't want to go on their property.
Yeah, no, we'll retrieve it for you. I can tell you right now, it's not cool if they called in a guy with a gun and
Yeah.
there is no guy with a gun.
That's what happened, man. They asked me if I had a gun. I was like, no.
Well, it sounds like they weren't too cooperative either. So, you know, they call a guy in, gun in front of the door.
Oh, of course. Yeah, I understand.
You can understand that,
yeah,
right?
I totally get that.
I was cool with you, right?
You were cool. You were cool. You didn't cuff me. Props for that.
Well, I've been doing this long enough to call like the guy with the gun isn't going to have the camera and,
right.
and you know all that.
Definitely.
And flag me down. Hey,
yeah.
Those guys are ready for it.
What's your name, sir?
Silva?
Silva.
Yeah. So, yeah, I'm going to tell you, there's a lot of trainees and new guys that might have thrown you out anyways.
Okay. Would it maybe get on the ground and stuff?
That's, I mean, that actually is the safest way, the way we're trained, but based on just some of the details of the calls for me, I was like, well, I got to go in because there is a school, so I'm going to go in by myself if I have to.
Okay.
But just your demeanor and, you know, you're cooperative, which is really what dictated how it all went down, right?
Okay.
If I think you might have a gun and you're uncooperative, that's going to change how it reacts. Being as cooperative as you were, you know, I'm still, you know, my guard is still up mentally. I'm ready for it, but then, you know, I react off you, basically.
I think we're looking at a PC-211. I want to get this guy.
So those officers are investigating.
Okay.
We're just here to help. We're the closest. We got dispatched in different areas.
For sure.
We're definitely going to get all your information as far as you want to report a crime.
Yeah.
Sounds like a man. Take it all.
Yeah, he did. He took it, grabbed it, ripped it off, and I consider that taking it and then threw it.
Okay,
over there.
He didn't try to run with it or anything like that?
No.
Okay. Do you have any identification to it?
I do.
Okay. I can see that.
Can I just tell you my name? And
Yeah. I really appreciate that you didn't get all like, you know, crazy with me, like, because that really would dictate how things go, you know.
Right.
We're not going to take chances with kids, you know, this kid right there, you know, so.
I give officers what they give to me.
No, and I am the same with people, you know, like I said, the fact that you're flagging us down, I can see your hands, you weren't being like dumb, like reaching in your pockets and stuff, because sometimes people try to bait us, like, you know, like, oh, well, I don't have to listen to you, like, well, you know, what's your last name, sir? Do you have another last name? Your first name?
Gabriel?
Gabriel. Thomas Tony?
Yeah.
Archangel?
Yep. No.
Okay. Your date of birth? 5. Did you call us as well?
Yes, I did.
Okay. And how far are you approximately, sir?
6 foot?
And this is just biographical. So
Oh, okay.
if you're wondering why you care how tall I am.
Yeah.
How much do you weigh?
240.
Hair is gray?
I mean,
Ish.
grayish.
If I had hair, it'd be great too, so don't worry about it. And eyes are brown, yeah?
Yeah.
Do you happen to know your driver's license number?
I do.
What is it?
Hold on one second. It's D737 6899.
6899.
If you could not repeat that.
And what number did you call from?
It's in my bag.
You don't know your phone number?
No.
Okay, that's not a big deal. We'll figure it out.
It's not an activated phone, so it's just a.
Oh, it just has the.
I just use it as a camera.
service.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's just a camera phone. But I definitely want to press charges, man.
Okay.
It was.
So let's start. What time did you arrive here?
It's been over an hour. I'd say about an hour and 10 minutes.
Okay, it's like 8:50 then? 8:55?
Yeah.
All right. And you were here on the drive?
Yes.
Okay. Were you always over there? Like when this whole thing happened?
Yeah, I was on the sidewalk the whole time. Yeah.
And you were recording with your phone and a tripod-mounted camera.
Yes. Yeah, the camera's supposed to be right here, but he just.
And it was mounted on there.
Yeah, you can note the broken plastic around it.
Yeah.
You have to rip it off.
So you were recording with both at the time?
Both at the same time, yeah.
Okay. And it was that guy. Which guy was it?
It was the guy sitting down.
Over here?
Yeah.
Okay. And what happened exactly?
He didn't like what I was doing.
But what did he say to you? Or what?
He said something like, "I need you to stop and desist."
Stop and desist?
Something like that.
Did he say specifically what he wanted you to stop and desist?
Nah.
He didn't say?
Well, I mean, I could tell he just didn't want me recording.
Okay, but he didn't specifically say stop recording.
I don't remember now.
But he did say stop and desist. And then what was your reaction to that?
No.
You said no.
Yeah.
Okay.
Appreciate you, Tuffy.
What was that?
I was talking to the audience.
Oh! All right. And then you said no, and then what happened?
He grabbed my camera, ripped it off.
Do you remember which hand?
Actually,
does anyone have a video of it? Was anyone
it was live streamed.
But is anyone capturing like a video recording of your
I
recording?
don't think they were.
No, I mean of your fans or your viewers.
The live stream, if you guys go on my live stream right now and rewind it all the way to the very beginning, you can see it.
What is that? What platform is that?
YouTube.
YouTube. What's the channel?
Slo County Observer.
Was it Slo?
Slo, S-L-O.
S-L-O. County.
County.
All one word?
No, 3 separate.
Okay, sorry about that. Slo County Observer. That's your channel. Alright, and then so you said no, you grabbed your channel.
Yeah, I passed 10th Street. I should have looked at that.
Immediately through it.
Okay,
My phone fell on the ground as well.
Yeah.
So, are you guys good?
Well, whose call is this?
Yours?
Negative. What district is it?
Paul or Charles?
I don't think so.
What do you need, sir? It's not ours, but what do we need over here? Because it's a big nothing.
Well, he wants to press charges for this guy vandalizing his
This guy
camera.
broke my camera. My camera's supposed to be right here.
So who's meeting?
It's in the bushes over there right now.
I don't know.
Can you go figure that out with
What is
whoever's on your team?
Can you call, is this Lincoln 3?
Yeah, for sure. So you said he threw the camera immediately on the ground? In the bushes?
In the
or
bushes.
grass?
He grabbed it like this and went, oh, well.
Don't worry about it.
Like that.
We'll take care of it. So you don't even get the
Where's
statement.
the-
Those where you get the statement. So
I'm getting a statement right now.
Where's the other piece at?
So you wanna do it?
Where's the part that's broken?
he says it's
You can see it's busted. There should be a camera right here.
What direction did he throw the piece?
take care of it.
In the bushes over there, so he grabbed it like this.
The bushes against the wall?
Yeah, against that wall. He grabbed it like this.
So it should be like...
Where's the piece? Because we're gonna have to photograph it.
It should be a black
This is.
camera?
He threw it over there. I don't want to go on their property, so I didn't retrieve it.
I will go look.
But it's a black Sony cam.
I'll go get rid of this. That's it. Who's Lincoln 3?
Vegas.
Who's that?
Too many
Recruit?
questions today. No, he's over there.
You think I did my
He's
bag back?
Can you take a drag?
Let me just make sure with them.
Oh yeah, it's this camera you put on.
Yeah. Hey, where's mine? Can you
Did
get
you
the bag?
guys?
yeah, just
That was his bag.
Huh?
So what's up with the bag? We just separated
Oh,
from
that piece, this guy's camera.
we have that. Okay. Just put it on the car for now. And just the gist is what you told me over there.
Yeah, he said he's here for like an hour recording his business for whatever reason. Guy came out, didn't like it, confronted him, told him to stop. He said no. So then dude snatches the camera off the tripod, breaks the mount, and
wants to press charges for vandalism. He says 211. Yeah, no. Okay, but nothing other than that.
How's it going?
Good.